Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Amador, Calaveras, San Joaquin, and Stanislaus. And the National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a tornado warning for northeastern San Joaquin County in central California, northern Stanislaus County in central California, west central Calaveras County in northern California, southwestern Amador County in northern California until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:35 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Rancho Calaveras, or 12 miles southwest of Paloma, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Wallace around 4:40 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Rancho Calaveras around 4:50 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Campos Lake around 5:05 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Valley Springs around 5:10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Paloma around 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: Amador, Calaveras, San Joaquin, and Stanislaus.